Hey guys, welcome to Shawn's Playhouse channel. Say hey, Shawn.
Hi.
Say welcome to my channel.
Channel.
Alright guys, so what we're going to do today with Shawn, we are going to be making, he's going to be making some Monster Eyes sugar cookie kits. So we grabbed this from, where did we get this from? Walmart?
Walmart.
Yep, we got this from Walmart. So,
No.
So
No.
here's the ingredients, guys. This is all what you need. So you're going to need all of these here. Not much. It comes with mainly everything. You just need the butter, the parchment paper, and the water. Alright. So, and this looks pretty cool, guys. Right, Shawn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, Shawn's gonna take out everything that comes in the box. So let me see, Shawn. Let's see what it comes with. Alright, it comes with the cookie dough, which should be each color. Orange, green, and pink. Here's the pink cookie dough. And here is, I'm not sure what color this is. I guess we won't know till we add the water. Because these, they look the same. And it comes with googly eyeballs.
Gooey
eyeballs. And we got the butter here.
We got the ball. We got more balls.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the bowls. Right, Shawn?
Yeah.
And we'll be back.
Right there. It's 2 minutes. Small. Make it bigger.
I'll help you.
Oh. No, don't make it too fast.
Okay.
You have enough. They look good. They're good.
It looks good. Alright, next one.
Orange. What's that? Tell me. What? Not white. This is white.
And that might be orange. I'm not sure.
I don't know what color is this.
And get this one.
Green. Green again. Green. You got green. And now we're white again.
It doesn't look like it's gonna be green, but we'll see.
No, it's white again. No, it's white again.
Okay.
No, it's white. No, it's white. No, it's too cold.
Alright, Shawn, so we need 3 tablespoons of butter
No, you have.
in each bowl.
No, you don't. Hey, don't do it that.
Okay?
Don't.
3 tablespoons.
Let's do it in the table. Yeah.
Okay? And each cookie dough mix needs 1 tablespoon of water. So we need 1 tablespoon of water.
Go. Oh.
Oh, that's green.
So I got green. That's the wrong color. Maybe orange and orange.
So the other one should be orange.
It's white.
Oh no, it should be orange.
It's Not orange. It could be
Well,
white.
We'll see. It doesn't look like it actually turned. Or okay, I see it. It's starting to turn. All right. So now that we put the water, put the butter, now it wants us to go ahead and
Look at me.
form the dough. Yeah, so it wants us to go ahead and form the dough. So that's what we'll go ahead and do.
What is it? Oh. What is this? What is this?
Once we get the dough formed, we'll come back. Hey Shawn, what color is this?
Pink.
What color is this? What color is this?
Pink.
What color?
Orange.
Yeah. Hey Shawn, you ready to make your cookies?
Yay.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna scoop these. So all we have to do now is 1 tablespoon of like a scoop and put them on a cookie sheet, but we don't have a cookie sheet, so we're gonna go ahead and use a regular pan. I sprayed it, and we'll see you once they get out the oven. All right guys, here is the cookies. Good job, Shawn. So thank you guys for stopping by Shawn Playhouse channel, and without further ado, we'll see you next time. Say bye, Shawn.
Bye, son.
No, say bye to your friends. Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
See you next time, guys. Bye.